vampire bat looks like all other bats. Unlike other bats, though, it sucks animal blood. It has a sensor in its nose to tell where the blood flows to the other animal for easy access.
The bat's saliva not only prolongs bleeding, but also prevents the blood from clotting. In the future, the vampire bat's saliva could be used to prevent heart attacks and strokes.
The vampire bat lives in the canopy section of the rainforest.
The natives of the Brazil rainforest are the Yanomamo.
They live off the forest. They are known for their horticulture and frequently move to find better land to farm.
They also practice polygamy, which means that they have one man with many different wives and family units.
We need to save this animal. We plan to save the vampire bat by making a conservation area for them.
There, it would be illegal to hunt or hurt the bat. They would have all the access to the blood they need, but no one would get hurt.
The vampire bats are not endangered yet, but we need to stop cutting down the rainforest before they become endangered.
I know.